This is the tutorial for the VEX VR Castle Color Match Level 1. So if we look at Level 1, they're asking us to navigate this castle structure and pick up blue and drop it off in the blue, green dropping off in the green, and a red dropping it off with the red using that electromagnet. Just so we can get a view of it a little bit differently so we can see what's occurring. So we have to navigate these walls and come back and put these back in the goals. This is going to be a long linear program, so we're not going to be using an algorithm on this one. So we are going to have quite a long program. So I'm going to hide this over here. And in order to make this program more usable, like we have in the past, we're going to create some functions. So we're going to come over to My Blocks, and we're going to make a block, and we're going to create a block called Get Blue, create another block that says Drop Blue, we're going to do this for each of the colors. So we're going to get green, and then we're going to drop green, and then we're going to get red, and we're going to drop red. So we've created 3 different functions that we're going to run in our program. Now we're just going to organize them roughly right now and come and deal with the get blue function first. So in running this program, the first thing we're going to do is notice that we need to drive forward. And we're going to drive forward 700 millimeters. We want to end up in the middle of that square. We can see here, so we're going to drive forward to that point, which is 700. We're then going to make that left-hand turn, and we're going to go 90 degrees. Once we've done that, we're going to drive forward. When do we want to drive forward till? We're going to go to our control structures, because we're using our I function on this. We're going to go wait until our down I detects blue. Seeing that we're in the blue function, it's going to be blue. So our down I detects blue. Once we've done that, we want to stop driving, and we want to charge our magnet to boost or pick up that. So now we're here. That leads us to our next function, which is to drop it. So to drop this, we're going to come back to our drive function, and we're going to drive in reverse now. So we've driven in reverse, and we're going to turn right. We're going to turn right 90 degrees. We're going to drive in reverse again. This time we're going to drive in reverse 400 millimeters. And we're going to make a left-handed turn 90 degrees. So that's going to put us facing this way, and we need to drive to that goal. So we're going to drive forward those 4 squares, which is 800 millimeters. And then we're going to make another left-hand turn to put us in position to drop this. We're going to drive forward 200 millimeters, and then we're going to energize our magnet to drop. Now, using this functions, I can come here and I can go to My Blocks, and I want to say I want to run my function get blue and then drop blue. I can come over here and run my program, and I can see that robot picking up the blue, going in reverse, turning, rotating, and then dropping my blue. In the next video, we'll continue on to the next square.